What's going on, you guys? Damien, and today I'm at my dad's house, and what I'm going to be doing today is fidget cube. Wait, I'm going to get my fidget. The fidget cube versus fidget spinner. So my gang came in. So as I was saying, I'm going to do fidget cube versus fidget spinner. Let's get right into this. So let's unbox this fidget cube. So yeah, good. So we've got here, just go box no, right, there you go. So when you get in, you would see let's put the upside down, left the fidget spinner. So when you open it, you would see this. To panel everything is in it, so I'll read what's in it. So there's a click, so it's a pen thing. The glide is like a joystick thing. Flip, it's like a light switch. Breathe or breath or something is like a wee finger, like a thumbprint. Roll is like gear sticks. Wait, 2 minutes. Sorry, everybody was talking, so yeah, you get, so that's everything in here. So let's get to the actual fidget cube. So I'll show you the box first. So that's like normal work class home. Now these are actually banned in my class. Well, not banned, but if you see them, you get them took off. Just pretty much banned. So yeah, the fidget cube logo, and then everything that's in it. And then the fidget cube bit, so let's actually get into this box again. Spin chair. Just back up. I can unbox it, but I'm not actually an unboxer. Right here, I got the blue and black. I actually got this from the shop. So, fidget cube versus fidget spinner. Now, I used to bite my nails. Used to, not much. First thing I got was a fidget spinner. I was really happy I got it. I'm not even gonna lie, I was pretty happy I got it. And then it started to get like boring because I've got like 3 of them in my house, and I'm getting another 3 soon. Maybe tomorrow or something. Get 1, then I'm getting 2 and 2 on May or whatever it is. I think it's June or May. I think I'll do it. It's probably I think it's June. No, I think it's May and it's June. So sorry for that like background. This is what stopped me biting my nails, and then I kept biting my nails again. Like I kept going, and then I got a fidget cube, and then I'm not saying it would stop me, but it stopped me for now. Dad came in, but anyway, yeah, this. Dad, you're in the video with that, it's fine. I can't because I'm not hanging. Yeah, my dad just, that's fine. Right, so fidget cube, show what's on it. No, this isn't got, sorry for saying fidget cube or fidget spinner, this isn't a fidget spinner, I'm just showing off my fidget spinner and fidget cube. Fidget cube unboxing. So this is like the glide. It's like a joystick, like on your Xbox controller or your PS4. 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 It's good. So yeah, there's the fidget cube. There's the glide. There's a switch. I just switch about. Now this is the thumbprint. Now this is one of the most confusing for me because I don't know what it really is. But yeah. Here's the gears. Oh, 2 minutes, guys. Sorry, guys, I just have to go to the toilet. Sorry if you can't see me, it's because of that light back there. So, yeah, same switch, you can switch boot, fingerprint. Now, the gears. What have I not done? Spin, click. Not that right. And then the gears, which I'm doing right now. So, come on, let me try and see if I can put this chair down a bit. Okay, so I tried to get down a bit and then I just put it higher. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to move to the other seat. Alright, so you can see me better now. So as, oh my god, this is wet. So yeah, as I was saying, fidget cube is like really fun, just got about, and then, no, that's not all I'm saying, gears. So there's a wee metal ball you can roll about right here, so if you hear people talk. So if you hear people talking, it's just my dad. It's just my dad and his dad, as I said, his dad. So yeah, sorry if you can hear them. Put this up a bit. So as I was saying, there's a metal ball you can spin. So that's why it said that's what the oh yeah, I forgot to say, as in Chinese instructions too. As I was saying, the roll as the gear, the metal ball, and the roll as the gears too, so you can just spin these gears. Spinning. So the glide thing was it wasn't. It was the spin. It was literally just called spin. So you can see that like that there. I had to cut a look because I don't know all of them. As I was saying, spin. It's just like spin about, and so that, yeah, it's just basically. And this is what most people try and guess. What one is the sound and what one is not a sound? I know what one is the sound. These two right here are not sound. See this one? That's nothing. See, that's not sound. Listen. See, these two are not sound. These three are sounds. Now the clicking bits are supposed to act like a pen. If you like clicking a pen, which I really do, and I get shouted at because of my teeth. Now I'm just doing. I don't get shouted at, but I really do like just clicking pen. So that's what it's supposed to be. And then there's two silent ones for sneaky fidgeting, as it literally says. Like that's literally what it says. Watch. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but on the click at the bottom, well up here. No, there it says two silenced buttons for sneaky fidgeting. Let's just put it back. Oh wait, I know this isn't what you do, but this is where the fidget cube came. Well, this is what the fidget cube came in, and then you just put it in the box. Yeah. Just get back up. And then the cuts here. Right, so I'm going to put this back in the box because I don't want it to get like ruined, because I'll be really annoyed. So, I'm really annoyed if this gets ruined. Put it back in the box like in the wrong. So I'm doing a fidget spinner. Well, this isn't a fidget spinner video, but like that's a fidget cube unboxing. Yeah, fidget spinner unboxing. But Jesus! So talk about my fidget spinner. Here's my fidget spinner. It's a red and black. It's pretty cool. I have like a white one, like all white, a blue one, and this one. And I have another freaking, which I said over, and that's here there, which is high. It's poop. So yeah, it's cool. I just do tricks with it. Pretty cool. Yeah. It's pretty cool, listen. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. First one's coming in. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'm gonna shout out, I'm gonna plug my Instagram account, so let's go get that quick. Okay, so my phone just ran out, but yeah, I was just right, that was my dad thing. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram if you know what it is. So yeah, peace.